Hey everyone, Jody from Berg Off Road again. Here to show you guys our new Suparee spare tire brake light. Stay tuned. So here is the old one we had. We did a video on it too. It's just not working. So we are going to take it off. I'm not sure why it's not working, but it's not working. So we're going to take it off first. That means we'll have to take this thing out in there and take the wires out of it. So we have this thing getting ready to put it on, and you'll notice there is a little lip right here. I think it's on purpose because if you look at the ad, it says this is for a non-Sasquatch. So when you go to try to put it on, like a lot of other ones that you can find on the internet, it doesn't go all the way in. So we bought a hole saw, a 3-inch hole saw. We're going to widen this thing up a little bit. We measured here at the base from top to bottom, it's about 3 inches. So we think if we do a 3-inch hole here, it won't degrade the integrity of the piece, but it'll help us get that on to where it sits like it's supposed to. And this little indent that goes around this circle, we measured it, that's 3 inches. So I think they put that there on purpose. So just be mindful of that. First thing that we did here is that we disconnected this from this. So you just push in this little button right here and you just pop this right out. Then you want to take these little wires here that you got with the kit. This one's going to pop into this one. It pops in. You can always push this little thing in here that kind of locks it in. And this one is going to go up here and push into this one. Now I did have to push up a little bit to get this thing to lock in. Otherwise it will just pop right back out. Then once you get those in, then you guys snake this thing out through this hole somewhere. So the rest of this is just going to sit inside here, and once you're done, you'll put this piece back on, and then you'll wire it up outside. All right, due to the constraints of space, so we did sneak this in between the edge of the plastic. We got all these 3 clips in. We couldn't get this other clip in. I'm not going to worry about it too much because even if water does get leaked in here, it's going to drain out. But I did get it leaked in, hooked it up to this. Of course, as we said earlier, we got this hooked up and piggybacked. So we're all good there. And we go around here before we bolt everything back up. Just want to make sure everything works, which it looks like it does. So hoorah for us. So we're going to put everything back the way it should be. And then we will be able to get the spare tire on. We'll be done. All right, it's all on. Everything's done. It's on. So look at this, man. Check it out. Yeah, there'll definitely not be any excuse for anybody not to see me stopping. You know, like I said, this is pretty ambient light, or pretty much a lot of daylight here. So at night it'll be even a lot more brighter, a lot more obvious. But I definitely think that this will be very, very instrumental as far as making sure that we don't get rear-ended by these crazy Arizona drivers. So the other one we had quit working, so we tried to try something new, and to be honest with you, I don't regret it. All right, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. If you want one of these, we'll put a link down below. Special thanks to Suparee for sending this to test. So we're definitely glad they did. And like I said, the other one didn't work, so we got us a new one and works perfect. Hope you guys consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Got more stuff to come very soon. Thank you so much.